Hi, I'm Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm going to give you a demo of our tub spout with a spring-loaded diverter. It does have a custom installation, and we have a whole video on how to install it. This can be great for a replacement, but primarily for remodeling because it does have a custom installation with specific depth in that install video. But I'll just take you through some of the features and let's get into it. So this tub spout is solid brass, very high quality, heavy, durable. And what makes it interesting is and unique, is the diverter. So with most diverters, like this one on the market, which we also offer, it's a pull-up diverter, and it just seals with this function. But this one instead has a design inside that pushes a seal down, and these tend to last really long, right? And they're easy to operate without leaking. Now this tub spout is CUPC tested and certified, so it meets all plumbing standards. Plus, it also is certified with the California Energy Commission, not for restricting flow rate, but for reducing the amount of leakage over thousands of cycles. So in fact, this has been tested and certified to last basically leak-free for over 15,000 cycles. So it's highly durable. And the length of the tub spout is approximately 6.8 inches from the back wall to the front of the tub spout and 6 inches to the middle of the tub spout aerator, so the water flows cleanly into the tub and doesn't hit the tub lip. The back plate here is approximately 2.75 inches wide. So it gives you a nice, clean, finished look, whether you're installing this in a new shower remodel or just replacing an old tub spout. And then this tub spout has a custom aerator, so the water flows nice and evenly without hitting the tub too hard and making a loud noise. I'll show you here. You can see it has a nice, smooth sound to it, flowing out nice and evenly. So I'll show you how this tub spout looks when you install it, just so you have an idea. So what you'll see here is there's a custom adapter that gets threaded into the wall, okay? It's not a slip fit, okay? So this is for a threaded connection, so you do need, fairly custom plumbing. And then with this adapter that's included with this tub spout, it threads on to a nipple, or if this outer thread threads directly in the wall, it's a 1/2 inch female adapter or 3/4 inch male NPT adapter, all in one. This just slides over, and then you tighten this down onto the adapter, okay? Thread it onto the nipple in the wall. So let's run some water through it and show you how it works. So all you'll do is just push down on the tub spout top, and then it will divert up to the shower head like this. And you can see here, there's no leakage. And then once you're done, you just close the valve and it will automatically release back down through the tub spout. So when you start it again, it's coming out of the tub spout once again. So there you have it, our tub spout with spring-loaded diverter. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.